Hey, what's happening? Brian Willett here. Working with companies and institutions and organizations all around the country, one of the first things I do is I go to their website. Typically on a website, they state all of these facts, okay, about their product, about their solutions, about what they can offer people. All right. But one of the things that is typically missing is who cares, right? You can have all these facts, how long you've been in business, this great product you offer, but if you don't tell me what's the benefit of these facts or these features that you're telling me about, why should I care? And so a real simple formula that you can apply as a salesperson, or if you're in marketing and you're looking at your own website, is ask yourself these questions. Have you answered these questions? And this is a process you can use. You state the feature or the fact. That's one thing. The next question you need to ask yourself is, why is it important? Why is that important, right? You think it's implied that people should know, but it's not. They don't know why it's important. So why is it important? The next question that you need to answer is, did you put enough information on why someone should even care about this thing? How would it even apply to them? And so that's how you state certain facts. You got to support it and let people know what it could mean for them and what are some possible benefits from that. If you want to hear more about how to do this, reach out to me through wherever you watch this video, and I'll give you the template on how to make sure whatever the facts or features you're stating about your organization or your institution, that you have some supporting things around it to make sure a message is clear and people can really see why it is important. Make it a great day. We'll talk to you soon.